restrain your anger. restrain your anger. خپله غوسه قابو وساته. anger ویل کېږي غوسه ته. don't insult. don't insult. سپکاوی مه کوه. don't waste. don't waste. اسراف مه کوه. don't big bite. don't big bite. غیبت مه کوه. big bite ویل کېږي غیبت کولو ته. don't take bribes. don't take bribes. رشوت مه اخله. think good of others. think good of others. د نورو په هکله ښه فکر وکړه. turn away from ill speech. turn away from ill speech. له بدې وینا څخه ځان وساته. walk in a humble manner. walk in a humble manner. په عاجزۍ تګ کوه. humble ویل کېږي عاجزي ته. respond to evil with good. respond to evil with good. د بد جواب په ښه ورکړه. speak nicely even to the ignorant. speak nicely even to the ignorant. مهربانۍ خبرې وکړه حتی د جاهل سره. keep your trust and promises. keep your trust and promises. خپل اعتبار او ژمنې وساته. don't ask unnecessary question. don't ask unnecessary question. غیر ضروري سوالونه مه کوه. if enemy wants peace then accept it. if enemy wants peace then accept it. که دښمن صلح غواړي نو یې ومنه. return a greeting in a better manner. return a greeting in a better manner. د سلام یا ستړي مه شي جواب په لا بهتره توګه ورکړه.